Yeah, I got this off Whatnot too. Whatnot addiction continues, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And as promised a couple of weeks ago, I told y'all I'm going to check back in with y'all and let y'all know all the cool stuff I brought off the app called Whatnot. Again, if you haven't signed up yet, my code is there. I think you'll receive some credits. I'll receive some credits. I need the credits. Guys, I need the credits. I'm going crazy on that app, man. I didn't go this crazy this week, though, man. Supreme had 3 good drops back to back, so a lot of my money went there. That Nike SB Jordan 4 shock drop, had to get those, so I ain't go too crazy, but let's get it. By the way, I brought those mats from Whatnot. Shout out to that seller. I gotta remember that guy's name, man. Mats is authentic. Let me show you. Great quality, guys. Huge. Got designs in the back. It looked like it's probably made for the grip. But that's dope, man. Dope, dope, dope mats. So let's start with something small I brought. This is a Bape seller. He has all kind of Bapes. He's aging. Like, oh man, I wish I could remember these guys' names. Is the receipt in here? The receipt's in here, guys, so we're going to get his name. So the name of this seller is called Prime Orders. Prime Orders, guys. Check him out if you're on Whatnot. Again, the code is there. Put it in, you'll get some free credits just to try it out. But Prime Order, I like this guy, man. And I brought an auction. Look what I paid, y'all. Let me know that I do right. $6 for a Takashi Murakami coaster. No, it's not a lot, but $6 Murakami coaster. Come on, y'all. This is dope. Also, I got another Supreme tee. I just did a video about all my Supreme tees, guys. This is getting out of hand, the Supreme tees, I'm not gonna lie. Whatnot is a hobby, but I got way too many Supreme tees. But I was kind of like, when I seen the auction for this and they put it up, I was like, I don't own that tee, and that's what made me look through my tees. So this tee helped me do the video of all of my favorite Supreme tees. And this is the Arabic logo Supreme box logo tee. I can't believe I did not have this tee already, guys. But the gray and red colorway, I really like this, man. And I should have been had this, man. It's cultural. All right, this tee I brought from, I believe, Cool Kicks. Yeah, I brought it from Cool Kicks. Look what I paid, guys. $10, man. And the tee is from Blackpink. I didn't know what Blackpink was. I didn't know who Blackpink was. I just liked the tee. But after I brought it, so let me see who this is. And it's actually a band. I'm trying to remember what they call it. K-pop. I believe it's K-pop. Let me know in the comment section below. I don't know everything. I like to know a little of everything. I think they're a pop band, K-pop, something like that. But they did a crazy collab. Is this the collab one? No, this is just the Blackpink tee. But I got another one coming as the Blackpink collab with Murakami, I believe. See how that works out? But this is just a regular Blackpink tee on the front. I guess that's their logo, the BP. Look like a half heart, Blackpink. But I really like the back, man. Really like the back. Huge logo, man. Super dope. I like this one here, man. Material feels good, too. Here's another tee I picked up from Cool Kicks, Palace, McDonald. I think I showed y'all the hoodie a couple of weeks ago. $19, guys. Yes, sir, man. In the packaging, brand new, man. Now, sleeping if y'all not on Whatnot, man. And they're not promoting this video, guys. I'm just telling you, I like y'all to get steals and deals, man. Palace. McDonald tee, that was that little salt pepper thing that they put to preserve the thing falling. That's dope, man. I think I'm going to put this on and stand in front of McDonald's and take a dope picture, man. 100%, I've never had a bad McDonald's. I like it, man. That's the front. Look at the tag. The McDonald's tag on it. This is dope, man. Shout out to Cool Kicks, $19. And this tee here, I showed y'all in my how to style brick by brick Nigel joints. If you haven't checked that video out, it's a dope video, man. But this is a Vlone Bad Habits tee. Mad graphic on this. Check out the tag, because the tag is Nav. This is a Nav Vlone collab. Bad Habits tee. I love that font, man. Can you just picture those on them Nigel joints? The back got the big V hit, of course, the Vlone joint. And then the side here, I believe this is like his, I don't know, his track listings. I don't listen to Nav. This is his track listings to his songs, or maybe like what he performed at the show. I don't know, but this is a dope tee and the quality's great. Yes, sir, man. I'm not day drinking. This is actually vitamin water. I've been dehydrated, man, doing all these videos. But yeah, man, that's everything I picked up from Whatnot this week. Again, the code is there. You'll get free credits to check it out. I may get free credits. I need the free credits again, guys. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes, everybody. Get rich.